Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Please subscribe. Okay, once you see something like this on your page, you don't need to bother yourself. Okay, it simply means that you just created your page new, like your page have not reached more than 30 days. Okay, as you can see here, you see that this page has been on Facebook for less than 30 days, or does not have enough followers or engagement to qualify for monetization. So you don't need to bother. Once you once you pass 30 days and you get a lot of followers or engagement, this thing will automatically go out from your page. Okay, so you don't need to bother yourself. So what else? Once you see something like this, you need to work hard. You need to work hard for this thing to go out. You need to work hard to get some followers, to get engagement. Okay, I would like you to like this video and subscribe to our channel.